Zaui Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with Zaui, a versatile booking platform designed for tour and activity operators. If you're managing tours, attractions, or experiences, this platform offers several features that might streamline your operations. I've included links to Zaui in the description if you want to explore it further. Let's dive right into the details. Zaui is tailored for businesses in the travel, tourism, and leisure industries. It's a powerful all-in-one platform that covers everything from booking management to payments, making it easier for businesses to handle their day-to-day operations. One of the key highlights of Zaui is its customizable booking engine that integrates seamlessly with your website, allowing customers to book experiences directly. The design is user-friendly and mobile responsive, ensuring a smooth booking experience for your clients. A standout feature is Zaui's robust inventory management system. It allows you to manage and control availability in real time, reducing the risk of overbooking and ensuring smooth operations. You can set up different pricing tiers, seasonal rates, and even apply discounts or promotions, giving you flexibility in how you manage your offerings. The platform also supports multiple payment gateways and currencies, which makes it ideal for businesses operating internationally. Payment processing is secure and straightforward, and Zaui's integration with Stripe, PayPal, and other popular gateways adds convenience for both the business and its customers. Zaui's CRM system is another key feature that helps you manage customer relationships effectively. It lets you track customer preferences, bookings, and communication history, making it easier to provide personalized services and marketing. Automated email confirmations, reminders, and follow-up emails keep your clients engaged and informed. The reporting tools in Zaui are comprehensive, providing detailed insights into sales, revenue, booking trends, and customer behavior. These reports help you make data-driven decisions to improve your business operations. In conclusion, Zaui is a powerful and flexible booking platform designed for the tourism industry. Its ease of use, customizable features, and robust functionality make it a great choice for any business looking to streamline booking operations. Check out the links in the description for more details on Zaui.